we want to find the mode for the following data sets. Remember, mode, most. So we're looking for the number within a data set which there are most of. Consider this first set. 1, 2, then we have 2 3s, 3 4s, a 5, 2 6s, a 7, and a 10. We have 3 4s, and this is the most. Therefore, the mode for this set is 4. Looking at this data set, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2 5s, 2 6s, and 3 7s. So the mode is equal to 7 because there were more 7s. This clearly indicates a problem with the mode. It's supposed to measure the center of a data set, but in this case there were more 7s and the 7s were at the end. So in this case the mode wouldn't be a very good measure. If we consider this data set, there's just one of each number. In this situation, we would consider that the mode does not exist. So there is no mode for this data set. Consider the next data set. We have a 1, followed by 2 2s, a 3, a 4, 2 5s, a 6, and a 7. 2 2s and 2 5s leaves us in the situation where we have 2 modes. The modes are 2 and 5.